Which way will this game go?
And it's Ronaldo. They've taken it down the wing. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all.
Not the best conditions out there, to be honest. Oh, this could be costly.
That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. It's Messi with the ball. Oh, quality defending there. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. Confident pass.
Dangerous tackle there. And Ter Stegen has it. Gibbs.
Picked up by the defender.
And that's a throw-in.
This player is taking on the opposition.
Oh, he did really well there.
Neymar.
Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Surely now. Oh, pick that one out. Rocketed into the top corner.
Here's a replay of that great goal. Celebrations are over, so the ref starts things up again.
Lovely passing here. He's cut it back inside.
Here's Ronaldo.
He's found an opening. Oh, that's confident goalkeeping there. Passed well.
A few minutes of stoppage time to play then. We're only going to have... And that's it for now. Half time.
They're ahead, but all that can change. They'll have to work hard to keep their lead. Not a good tackle at all.
And it's Ronaldo.
Oh, a very badly timed challenge. Good ball.
He dribbles the ball forward. Umtiti.
Passing the ball really well.
Good distribution.
And they get it away.
Finds his teammate. Distributes the play.
This team look eager for more goals. It's looking likely they'll get them.
He's got the ball at his feet.
And this really takes the pressure off the defence. And out for the throw-in.
A quick sub could work wonders for the team.
A tactical change here then.
Confident pass. Neymar. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution.
Passed well.
It's Messi with the ball.
They're holding on to maximum points and not long to go. Can they seal the game?
With the calibre of players on the bench, I'm not surprised the manager will be making some substitutions. Finds his teammate.
Oh, and dispossessed there.
It's with the defender now. And we're into stoppage time now. Good distribution. The border's gone up, and we're going to have 3 minutes of stoppage time. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player.
Passed well.
The full-time whistle sounds. The 90 minutes are up. That's all for today.
A real captain's performance today. Exactly what the manager wanted.